Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joseph Ryan Bati, your tech warrior from Limang Siglo. Today we're going to review our latest equipment and give honest feedback on these products. But before that, intro. If you have noticed that there's a bluish type color besides me, and that's because of the RGB lights besides me, which is the Paragon Tube 120C.
Paragon Tube 120C.
This RGB light is very bright, very bright. In my case, I kind of wanted to have a similar look on a cyberpunk aesthetic or something that has a neon light,
which suits my theme that focuses on technologies such as cameras, lights, and audio equipment.
A very good use for cinematic look that enhances the scene or gives certain mood.
It is also due to the fact that this setup is kind of popular nowadays. This lighting is a lightweight that you can just hold it.
Though for me, the whole kit is quite heavy. So far, the bag is doing great on storing the whole kit. It does comes with a battery and power plug. Then its mount. You can slide this clamp to wherever you want, but I do recommend it's either in the middle or you can have both clamps in a one tube light. Connect the first one at the top, and the other one is connected in the bottom, so it's balanced.
This RGB light has a built-in effects such as fireworks, light strobes, lightning, cop car, clubs and parties, the paparazzis, or these continuous flash effects from cameras, and more. But of course, you can do some adjustment like dimming, speed, changing of colors. Here are the complete option for these RGB lights.
So far, the option we knew and what we use are the RGB mode, effects, and static color. HSI mode is where you focus on hue and saturation. X and Y coordinate for me is like adjusting the warm and cool color.
For me, this RGB lighting is mainly should be used on studio purposes, but it can also be used on an outdoor shoot just like this. Now what I have in here is the Zoom H8 field recorder. This is the latest addition to our audio equipment. Currently, I am using this
with the Rode NTG4 Plus shotgun mic. The Rode, your Rode. This H8 recorder has a SD card slot and can record all of the active lines, including its built-in recorder. It has a USB slot for charging, or you can use AA batteries. It has a touch screen where you can choose according to your needs. In our case, we use it solely for recording our interviews and talking head like this. As you can see, there are multiple files, and yes, these are from different mics. There is a button to avoid accidental misrecording, and this is the hold button. This freezes those buttons, especially the record button, so that can just accidentally stop your recording.
Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check.
So I say this is at least the ultimate audio with backups. The third and the last in our list is the Desview Mavo P5
5-inch camera monitor. We mainly use this on our live streaming on churches because when we do live stream and connect it to an HDMI cable, the camera loses its monitor, and the way for us to see what the camera captures is by having a monitor. We did use phone before as a monitor, but it's quite a hassle to mount your phone into the camera. With this field monitor, we have now a bigger monitor, and it can be straight up mounted to a camera because it's 5-inch. It's bigger than the camera screen, and with this I can use this as my monitor instead of doing this flipping the screen and facing it to the subject, which is me. This monitor also have a sunshade that is very advantageous on outdoor shoot, but so far we didn't have a chance to use it just yet. With the new addition to our equipment, my assessment in this that honestly it's quite difficult to have this new equipment, especially when you don't really know how to use this and you just have to look at the reviews of others and see to yourself. And as always, what I'm trying to say is it always depends to the user and the equipment. If you do have a good equipment but you don't know how to properly use them, and it's useless, pretty much useless. So it's good to keep on learning, keep on studying to make your output better. This field recorder did teach me how to appreciate more to our audio team, that setting up audio is not that as people think it is, as it's just easy to set it up, put a mic and that's it. No, you do need to adjust and learn where to put your mic. If you're using a boom mic, sometimes it gets in the frame, and then the adjustment on the gain, you need to learn to adjust the gain and the other settings. And also you have to really be careful on your equipments, like cables. If cables get messed up, get destroyed, because cables are very important. So with that, having knowledge and having equipment on audio and lightings, it's now time to learn the camera, to learn to use the manual. I guess the next episode is exploring the camera, triangle exposure, the ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. This is Joseph Ryan Batty, your tech warrior from Limong Siglo, saying, maximize what you have. Keep on learning. Keep on studying. Keep on experimenting. And learn from your failures.
This is Joseph Ryan Bati, your tech warrior from Limang Siglo, saying, gears doesn't matter, but it also matters. So why does it matter? Peace. Wacha! 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 Wacha!